You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this confusing word once and for all correctly in British English and American English pronunciations, which are very similar. So let's go through and break it down. Stereotype. Stress on the first syllable, so it's not stereotype, it's ste-re-o-type, with again a stress on the first syllable, the ste syllable, so make sure you emphasize on that one. Stereotype, it's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.